Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we'll be talking about a collaboration with Cactus Plant Flea Market and Nike, this time on the NIKE FLEA 1. These are also called, I guess, or have been coined the Grinches. So let's take a quick sneak peek. Well, welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Want to wish everybody a happy holidays. Hope that everyone had the most amazing Christmas if you do celebrate, and I'm looking forward to actually the new year, which is like flying by. It's coming fast already. It's already the 27th, it seems like. But my voice has been officially shot, so as you can kind of hear, I'm a little crackled, but I'm really excited to do this unboxing. These are some of the craziest sneakers I've seen this year, and this is the collaboration done with Cactus Plant Flea Market and Nike. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style these crazy looking sneakers. Then we'll conclude with how well these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. You've probably seen a lot of videos even going viral. People have been shaving these, so that is one option that you can do. But starting with the front of the upper, you can see that it has really just cool different shades of green. So we've got a darker green. I love petting it. It's very easy to just like get lost in petting this sneaker all day long. But so we've got different two-tone green color schemes on the toe box, and then these laces are crazy as well. We've got two tones as well there with a lighter shade of green and a darker shade of green. Underneath is a third green option, which is almost like a pastel kind of green colorway. I have to move the hair to the side, but there is Nike and the swoosh mark embroidered underneath. It just kind of gets covered by the hair. And we've got a stash pocket. Who doesn't love a stash pocket? You just got to be careful not to catch the hair in the stash pocket when you're unzipping it. We also have two different lace options. So we've got this green and white, and then just another lime green color scheme, so you can swap out if you want to. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so moving along to the side paneling, again, we have these three different color options of this nice fluffy green fuzz. We've got a pull tab on the back in green, and then on the side here, you can barely see it, but there is a yin yang sign underneath there. You can see it when it's really shaved. I have to like peel it down. The interior is really trippy. Actually kind of reminds me of a lava lamp on the inside. Let me see if the other one's the same. Other one's the same. One has an L, one has an R. And then as we work our way down to, let me move the hair out of the way, the midsole, it looks really cool. It's like kind of muddy looking on one side. So this is the left side, but on the right side, this one looks more kind of like space hippie concrete effect. And the outsole on one is brown and the other one is gray. And then we also have some other items that are included. So you've probably seen people that have been super gluing the Nike swoosh mark on the side. So you do have the option to actually put these on the side of the sneaker, but you do have to glue them. I've seen people tape them, but I don't think it sticks very well. So you can kind of see it's like the perfect length on there. Ooh, it's really wiggly. And then it looks like we got, trying to figure out what this is. Oh, I thought it was a towel for a second. Just do it with the yin yang sign. And this is a nice duster bag. Nice that they gave you that option. Really gonna need it with this because I feel like this is gonna catch a lot of dust in the air. All right, so now let's look at those details and then we'll talk about size and fit on these. As far as size and fit goes, I would say that you definitely have to go up on these. These run so snug. I would even recommend going a full size up. I went half a size up and they still feel a little bit tight. So if you are a person like myself that has higher narrow feet, definitely size up. If you do have flatter or wider feet, that could differentiate something slightly different, but definitely I would still recommend sizing up on these ones. All right, so now let's talk about styling this. Again, really crazy looking sneaker. We've got all this hair everywhere, all these different shades of green. So I definitely had to add some shades of green in all of my looks. So for the first look, I decided to wear this satin green dress with a turtleneck that was the same color for a more monochromatic look. And it was in a lighter green shade. And then for the next look, I decided to switch it up with a multicolored turtleneck that was a lighter green and a darker green. And then I layered that with a trench coat with a darker evergreen color scheme. And then I wore some green ribbed pants. So don't be afraid to like throw a bunch of green colorways into the look, because I think any types of greens will look amazing with this.
What a beautiful Christmas tree. Inside, what a beautiful Christmas light.
And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear a green suede coat with a just kind of sheer floral button down top. And then for the bottoms, I wore some olive pants. All right, so you let me know down below, was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? So these retailed at $190 and they're currently going between $350 to $600. So quite a bit of an increase on that price point. Definitely were super limited. Hopefully if you were somebody who dressed up as the Grinch this year, you were able to cop these because I feel like this is the perfect sneaker for that type of a look. It does have that Christmas feel to it. But again, happy holidays to everyone. That is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa. We'll catch you all next episode.